Okay, first let me introduce the empty seat on the Newsa. The empty seat belongs to the Bharatiya Janata Party. It has been kept reserved in case any BJP representative finally gathers the courage to take a position vis-a-vis the RSS. I began the Newsa tonight by saying that this BJP does not have the courage of the Vajpayee BJP. It is quite evident for everyone that before a comment on Mother Teresa, the BJP spokesman would have to call up Nagpur and say, Mr. Bhagwat, do I have your permission? That's the truth about the BJP. They may not like it. Well, taking on Mohan Bhagwat and the RSS tonight, leading the charge, C.R. Kesavan of the Congress Party, John Dayal of the All India Christian Council, Father Dominic Emmanuel of the Word Among Us, Raghav Chadda of the Aam Aadmi Party. Supporting the RSS tonight is Rahul Ishwar from Tiruvananthapuram, Swami Chakrapani of the Akhil Bharatiya Hindu Mahasabha, Ratan Sharda, RSS ideologue, author of Secrets of RSS, and Professor R. Vaidyanathan of IIM Bangalore. Professor Vaidyanathan, I'd like to begin with you. Let's go very factually on this. Last night on the debate, we saw a lot of emotion, a lot of rhetoric, but we saw very little logic. I repeatedly asked those who were supporting Bhagwat, present some logic to take your position forward. Despite all my attempts, I could not get one strand of logic with respect, including from Ratan Sharda, who is with me in the studio. That's not true. You can speak today. So who begins first? Okay, I'd like to go to Professor Vaidyanathan. Professor Vaidyanathan, why spread a lie? Why spread a lie that essentially Mother Teresa was a conversion agent? I'd like to begin the debate today by quoting a few things of what Mother Teresa said, additionally to what was said yesterday. Mother Teresa said she mocked the idea of conversion, Professor Vaidyanathan. Not only did she not believe in it, she mocked the idea of conversion. She was sarcastic about it. She said, and I quote, "Of course I convert. I convert you to be a better Hindu. I convert you to be a better Muslim. I convert you to become a better Protestant. Once you've found God, it is up to you to decide how to worship Him." Please, sir, maybe you should start by taking a position which you may surprise people by taking on Bhagwat today. Here's your opportunity. Professor Vaidyanathan.
Arnab,
Yeah.
first of all, I should thank you for the sudden love and affection you have showed on me by starting with me. I would request a 2-minute uninterrupted. You are talking about Mother Teresa was converting.
Yeah. No, I said she's not converting.
If she has not been doing it, she has not been following her dharma.
No, I presented a quote. I presented a quote.
I told you to give 120 seconds. I told you to give 120 seconds of uninterrupted.
So one counter question I'll give you 6. No, one second. My point is I gave you a quote. No. I gave you a quote. What is your comment on the quote I quote? What is the comment on the introductory quote?
I want 120 seconds.
Sir, 60 seconds. Your time starts now.
Yes. If she has the purpose of the Vatican is soul harvesting.
Oh God.
The conversion is a critical factor. But that's not my primary argument now. I am interested in knowing about the millions of dollars collected by her.
Sir, this conspiracy theory attitude to life also doesn't work all the time.
No, it is very important.
No.
In 1992, she had $50 million. No, let me finish. Where is that in US bank?
Right.
Where is that money today?
Okay.
And it would have become nearly more than $100 million.
One second. Raghav Chadda is responding to you. Raghav Chadda, please. One second. Raghav Chadda. No, sir. Your time is up, sir. Your time is up, sir. Raghav Chadda must come in. Raghav Chadda. Yeah, go ahead.
No,
sir, I gave you your time. You raised the point. Raghav Chadda.
Had this been a case of misappropriation of funds, disproportionate assets, etc., the Vajpayee government, the BJP government would have lodged a case and investigation. Why would they facilitate Mother Teresa?
not-
Why would they
I am
send
not
their
here to-
dignitaries,
I'm
their
not here to
representatives
talk
to
about
various
Vajpayee
functions
government.
in order to celebrate
I am
Mother
not
Teresa's
here to
service?
represent
The
Vajpayee
problem
government.
is that the BJP today is getting
No,
two
no, no, the
things
problem
absolutely
is-
wrong. One
problem
and two
is
very
you don't
important
want
aspects
to
of India.
face the
One
facts.
is about inequality by
problem
forcing
is you
crony
don't want
capitalism
to
and
get the
land
facts.
acquisition. The other is about diversity by
there are
bringing
those
in love
$1
jihad,
billion.
ghar wapsi, etc. The level of discourse
The
in this
Stern
country has
magazine
reduced to
of
such a
Germany,
low level
the
that
Stern
people from the
magazine of
ruling
Germany
party are, rather than
approached the
condemning
government of
such
India for
shameful,
information.
remorseful remarks, are
During-
supporting them.
I have
They
a
are not
second
even
quote.
distancing
I have a second
themselves.
quote. Keep the answers
No, no,
small.
no.
One second.
When
One
the
second.
government
Keep your
was approached by
answers
Stern
restricted
magazine,
to 60
they
seconds.
told
My second
this
question.
is very
My second question is to
confidential,
Swami Chakrapani.
classified.
Swami Chakrapani of the
No,
Akhil
you can't
Bharatiya
do-
Hindu Mahasabha.
No, I would like to tell you what the Vatican Bank told.
All
Vatican
Swam-
Bank claimed
Sir-
that any money generated by
Swami ji,
Mother
zara ek
Teresa
minute. Ek
belongs
minute.
to the global corpus.
Sir, you know,
But
you are,
the same
sir,
Vatican Bank lied
I reject what
when
you're
it went
saying,
to Boston.
sir, for the simple reason
You
that
can
I have
check,
presented
because
facts.
You are not allowing me to finish.
Sir, I have allowed you and only
are
you've
not-
spoken
I
at
want to
16
present
minutes
facts.
past 9.
Nation-
16 minutes past...
Nation wants to know. From this, I would like to ask, why did
Nation is
Vatican
watching
Bank
you.
take two positions?
Okay, have you finished, sir?
Nation
My
is
point is,
watching you.
I would want to know, and
My
since you
point is very
presume what the
simple.
nation wants to
The
know, let me say
hundreds
this.
of millions
What we
of
want to
dollars-
know, what we want to know tonight is whether Rahul Ishwar and you
Is
will
the
apologize. One second.
$100
Because
million
one second. Because Rahul Ishwar and you and Ratan Sharda and everyone, we want to know whether you'll apologize tonight, because I will now present my second proof to Ratan
Why?
Sharda.
Arnab
Ratan Sharda will
Goswami,
respond to my
you
second
must-
proof.
You must
Ratan
ask-
Sharda.
you must ask the Vatican Bank to apologize.
So, okay, 1 minute. Ratan
Vatican Bank requires
Ratan
to
Sharda, my
apologize to the
second quote
Indian
tonight.
country.
My second quote tonight is a quote of Mother Teresa as well. In the second quote, my second
No, this is
quote
Naveen
proves.
Chawla's
Sir, 1
quote,
minute.
Not Mother Teresa quote.
So I'm discussing Mother Teresa. I'll quote Mother
These are
Teresa. No,
Naveen
I won't
Chawla's
quote
quotes.
Professor Vaidyanathan. No, 1 second. Okay, so 1 minute. Please allow me to complete. Sir, you're now verbally heckling me on the program. Please allow me, sir. Now, my question is very simple. My question is to Ratan Sharda. Ratan Sharda, my next quote proves that Mother Teresa believed in plurality of faiths and secularism. She says, and I quote, "I love all religions. If people become better Hindus, better Buddhists, better Muslims by our acts of love, there is something growing there." She says, all is God. Buddhists, Hindus, Christians all have access to the same God. Does this appear to you to be the language of a serial converter, sir? Please, will you apologize for your position taken yesterday?
Apologize.
So why would you should? I've just
First of
given you a
all,
quote.
it
You
is
want me
up
to give you an... No,
you
sir,
have
bec-
picked up certain quotes. I have picked up certain quotes.
no, I mean,
See,
you know,
Mother
you
Teresa's
have
life was
taken quotes
dedicated.
selectively and I
You have
can...
also taken selectively.
No, I have not
Arnab,
taken
you
quotes
have.
selective. You want another quote? I'll give you
I
another
have
quote.
quotes. I have got 10 quotes.
Sir,
How
you
does
are-
it prove anything?
Sir, please,
The
then-
simple point is, there is academic debate. We are saying that she was a lady who did good job for the society, but she had a motive also converting, and she has admitted and she has
Sir, there is...
repeatedly
Sir, please. No, Raghav,
assured that-
Raghav. No, you can respond to him directly, please. You can respond to him directly.
You are
have
dislodging-
got-
1 second.
Sir, you are dislodging the
don't-
reputation
don't-
of a person who has, essentially
Times of
dedicated
India
70 years
came out
of her
with a
life
report
in
which was
working
saying
for the
from,
upliftment of the
how-
destitute,
does
of the
that-
downtrodden, of the poorest of the poor. What evidence
Raghav,
do you
don't-
have today to
you don't
suggest?
even allow me to
What
quote.
evidence do you have to
I
suggest
have-
that she was doing convergence in the
comment?
name of service? What
I have a
what
quote
evidence
which
do you
I
have?
gave yesterday.
Can the
Yes.
BJP and
Show
the
them.
affiliates of the
Yes.
Sangh Parivar at this point apologize
Why
for the
should I?
downtrodden,
You don't allow me to
obnoxious
quote, you
and
want me to
shameful
apologize?
comments that you
Sir,
guys
should
have
you
made?
apologize for what you
want me
said
to
on the
quote?
news yesterday?
As a member
let
of
me-
this country,
I'm
as a
not repeating
citizen,
that
I
quote.
feel
No, will you-
ashamed.
More quotes.
Sir, as a member of this
Point
country, I
is,
feel ashamed and I
why
fear
should
for
we
the country
ashamed?
that we are living in.
You
Look at
allow-
the national discourse from Ghar Wapsi to Love Jihad and now to Mother Teresa
Raghav,
being indulging in
Raghav,
religious
listen,
convergence.
listen. Why we get so incensed on something which is not, nobody has been insulted. There is a
Sir, of
different
course
side
you
of
have- of
Mother
course you
Teresa
have-
which has been
You
presented.
dislodge somebody's reputation. You
How?
dislodge somebody's
But she
reputation.
has been converted
You
all her
malign-
life.
You malign 70 years of her service.
But she
a
has-
person
she
who is
said-
considered as an
Listen,
ambassador of humanity.
She says,
Goswami-
now listen,
No, 1 second.
listen, she
Goswami-
says,
Yeah, Professor
Let me say-
Vaidyanathan, I
she
hear
says,
you.
tell them we are not here for work, we are here for Jesus, we are religious. I say to all police, you have
Acts
not to
of
become
religious
police, but to be
fundamental
social
might be too
worker.
touchy about it.
You have to
Not
convert. Now this is her own quotation.
Okay, now I'll tell you. Now I'll tell you. Now I'll tell you.
if she-
I accuse
listen,
you. I
as a
accuse you.
missionary-
I accuse
as
you,
a
Ratan
missionary, that was
Sharda.
job. You
No,
are
no.
trying to devalue your own job.
I accuse you, Mr. Sharda, and I accuse
Just because you
you.
don't like, you will not quote.
No,
you
no.
will not listen to my quote.
I accuse one second. By
You
the
are here
way,
just to just shout. That's all.
So the
he
question-
comes on the panel without listening to my quote. He's
Mr.
shouting.
Sharda,
How is
let
it
me-
insulting?
let me-
You
Sir,
call
what is
Gandhi.
the- what does this
you
quote
listen-
substantiate?
Dear
What does that
Raghav,
quote?
we can
it's
talk
a quote
of
about social work and humanity.
talk
It
of
is not a
kinky-
quote about religions.
We can talk about
I mean,
kinkiness
I'm
of Gandhi.
starting to...
Sir,
I'm
please,
starting to
sir.
doubt the
Sir, please.
interpretations,
Nobody's
sir.
offended.
sir, my question.
Why are you
Sir,
offended?
we as
Why are you
citizens
offended?
of this country, we feel offended. A person who's worked for
But
the
she has
humanity,
converted. It's a fact of
upliftment of the
life. She wanted to
destitute,
convert.
a person who's a Nobel laureate, received the highest civilian
You see,
awards of the
so what?
country.
The problem-
is
the
today-
problem-
Can she not have
is
second
today-
sight?
is
Cannot
today
have second
being
sight?
maligned.
She is
You are
basically a Catholic
dislodging
priest.
her. Sir,
Can you-
come on.
can you-
Sir,
what come on?
that might be her personal belief, but she
That's
was
her personal
never
belief.
indulging
That's what
in
I said.
conversions.
I
What
quoted
proof
yesterday.
you have?
I want
You
to
proved
quote
tonight
again.
that there was
You
conversion.
proved tonight.
You
I
proved
want
there
to-
was
you want to
conversion.
quote again?
No, can I give you a quote? Will you
I
listen
can
to
also
me?
give you a
No,
quote.
can I
Listen
give?
to my
No,
quote.
can I give you a
Listen to
quote? No,
my
you
quote
listen
first.
to mine. I'll give you.
Why-
I'll give you a
You
quote.
didn't listen
No,
to me
you
yesterday. Now listen to me.
No, you listen to me.
No
now,
one
Mr.
died
Sharda.
without receiving special tickets
Sir, one
from
minute,
St.
just
Peter.
1 minute.
We call baptism ticket
One
to St. Peter. I would ask they would seek blessing to wash away their sins. Nobody refused.
Okay, here's my quote.
29,000 were blessed
Here's my
by
quote.
St. Peter's ticket.
Sir,
So
this
how
was
does this
in
prove conversion?
1992.
How does this
How
prove
does this
conversion?
prove conversion?
She says that St. Peter's.
No, I'm really sorry. I'm really
You are
sorry.
being so naive.
Okay, Mr.
Absolutely ridiculous.
Mr. Sharda, Mr. Sharda, now
Just to criticize.
Mr. Sharda, now stop,
Yeah.
please. Now stop,
Yeah.
please. 1 second. Now, what, Mr. Sharda? If you just listen, think logically. You say, I am a Hindu. I believe in Lord Ram.
Yes.
I believe that Lord Ram is an epitome of love, of humanity, of all the goodness in the world. Does that mean that you are converting everyone to Hinduism?
But she
It's a
says
matter
that-
of
Exactly where you're going
It's
wrong.
a matter
You
of
made a
personal
mistake. You say you
But
made a
she herself
mistake.
says I'm converting.
So my quote here
You
tonight
don't
is
want
that
to
I don't
listen.
know what Rahul Ishwar is getting all
you don't
worked up
listen.
about.
That's
1
all.
minute. Mr. Sharda, 1 minute. I don't know what Rahul Ishwar is getting so worked about. Rahul Ishwar, for you I have a
It's less
quote.
about quotes and more about historic instances.
You see, Mr.
Historic instances where O.P.
talks
Tyagi
just a minute.
introduced
Cross-
an
No, no,
anti-conversion
no,
law.
let others
Mother
go.
Teresa was at the forefront opposing it.
Okay, so
Mother
here's...
Teresa was at the forefront of opposing Morarji Desai government's anti-conversion law. I wouldn't want to bring Sister Nirmala's conversion. By and large, we respect Mother Teresa for her great work. But if somebody raises a different narrative, we shouldn't be up in the
The
arms.
Supreme Court of India condemned the anti-conversion law. There is a full judgment of a sitting bench. Does that mean that the Supreme Court of India is indulging in religious conversions? What is this logic?
Anti-forceful conversion law is passed in many states. Does that mean it is non-constitutional?
Rahul Ishwar, for you I have a quote. 1
Let
minute,
us
1
not be
minute.
over touchy about it.
Rahul Ishwar, if only the depth of your argument matched the loudness of your argument, you would have been the best debater on the News Hour tonight. But the question for you is this, and I have a quote specially for you, Rahul Ishwar. Mother Teresa says, Mother Teresa is asked, today it does not seem that the Catholic Church is trying to convert anyone. This is an interview to a Nepali channel. I know that John Paul II is saying now that some of those other religions are saved. You do not believe they are lost anyway, right? And you know what Mother Teresa says? So I will totally expose the shallowness of your argument. I have great respect for you as an individual, but you're running in shallow waters tonight, Rahul. Mother Teresa says, no, they are not lost. They are saved according to their faith, you know. If they believe whatever they believe, then that is their salvation. You don't have the depth tonight to understand that argument, Rahul Ishwar. You just come on television and you start this whole thing that Mother
Arnabji, I appreciate.
Yeah, please.
I appreciate the vigor with which you defend Mother Teresa. We have worked with them. We respect them. Missionaries of Charities have done great
Sir,
work in Kerala and India.
I am defending logic. I am defending logic.
One thing very
unlike you.
honestly. Let me.
No, I am defending logic,
one thing
and I have
very
a question
honestly.
for you.
There
I have
is
a question
no
for you.
unanimity. Yeah, I agree. There is one answer. There is no unanimity of opinion in the right
Swami
of center.
Chakrapani, please.
I concede that too. But let us understand there might be some firm liners who have a different take.
You see, when you
can
make a
disagree,
mistake,
I
you
may
must
disagree.
apologize.
But
I think
let
you should
them have the
apologize.
right to hold their opinion.
No, 1 second. When you make, why am I debating this for a second time?
I hold Mother Teresa in the highest respect.
मेरा ये मानना है 1 second please 1 second, you can't say I hold her in the highest respect and say unsubstantiated things about her about her and not be able to back them up. स्वामी चक्रपाणी से मेरा सवाल है, स्वामी चक्रपाणी जी आप डिबेट सुन रहे हैं काफी शांति से, जो इंटरेस्टिंग है. मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहूंगा कि कलकत्ता में रायट हुए थे 1946 और 1947 में, दंगे हुए थे कलकत्ता में. उन दंगों के बीच में मदर टेरेसा ने हर प्रांत, हर जाति, हर धर्म के लोगों को वहां पे बचाया, उनको रहने का जगह दिया, उनको सहारा दिया, उनको खिलाया. 300 से ज़्यादा जो वहाँ पे स्टूडेंट थे, खाने को कुछ नहीं था, सबको हेल्प किया क्योंकि आर्मी और पुलिस ने उनको बंद करके रखा था. अब मेरा आपसे सवाल ये है कि अगर मदर टेरेसा कन्वर्जन एजेंट थी तो स्वामी चक्रपाणी जी उन लोगों में से कितने लोगों को मदर टेरेसा ने कन्वर्ट किया, और अगर नहीं किया तो क्यों नहीं किया?
देखिए ऐसा है अरुण जी, मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं कि निश्चित रूप से मदर टेरेसा समाज सेविका थी और उन्होंने बड़ी सेवा की, लेकिन वो धार्मिक समाज सेवा थी, उनको ईसाई धर्म में विश्वास था.
नहीं, ये तो आप ये गेसवर्क कर रहे हैं ना आप स्वामी चक्रपाणी. दिस इज गेसवर्क.
कन्वर्ट करा है काफी लोगों का.
ये तो गेसवर्क है.
300 लोगों की बात कर रहे हैं.
कुछ
300 लोगों से देश नहीं चला.
अच्छा चलिए मैं और एक आपको एग्जांपल देता हूं. सुनिए,
आपदा आती है देश में.
सुनिए, आपदा के बारे में मैं बात करना चाहता हूं स्वामी चक्रपाणी जी की. 1992 में जब वहां पे बाबरी मस्जिद का जो दंगा हुआ था, बाबरी मस्जिद के बाद जो वहां पे कलकत्ता में कितना वायलेंस हुआ था, उस समय मदर टेरेसा और जो मिशनरीज ऑफ चैरिटीज के लोग थे सारे कलकत्ता के वहां पे सड़कों में घूम के वहां पे उन्होंने किसी तरह से शांति बनाने का प्रयास किया. तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं, जब वो काम हो रहा था कितने लोगों को कन्वर्ट किया था मदर टेरेसा ने?
देखिए आपको मैं बता रहा हूं, मिशनरी यहाँ पे शांति.
अरे भाई आपको मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूं, आप जवाब नहीं दे रहे.
आप केरल देखिए, तमिलनाडु देखिए, पूरा
आप जवाब नहीं दे पा रहे आज.
करके सब जो
आप जवाब नहीं दे पा रहे.
अल्पसंख्यक हो गया. और हिंदू समाज ने,
This is the problem. This is the problem.
उन्होंने भी
Not one fact.
सेवा का कार्य किया.
I want to point out tonight for the news our viewer.
में जाइए, पहाड़ी क्षेत्रों में जाइए.
Sir, okay, Swami Chakrapani. Now I'd like to go across to. I'd like to now. One second, Swami Chakrapani. Not one answer tonight. I'm going across to Father Dominic Emmanuel, who wanted to respond to Rahul Ishwar and also to Ratan Sharda. Yes, Dominic Emmanuel.
Yeah, basically, first of all, I would like to preface my statements that I am talking in the context of Mr. Bhagwat's statement, and I am not making sweeping statements against Hinduism. All right,
which
that's the first preface I would like to make.
Which you did yesterday.
Yeah.
Yes. Secondly, no.
No, which you did yesterday.
Anyway. No, I was talking in a certain context of certain people. I was not talking about all.
You didn't talk about Bhagwat. You talked about Hindu religion. Please understand.
Secondly, I want to quote here from another book written by Hindus and which carry on its cover page the painting of M.F. Hussain. No, wait, listen. No, I'm not repeating. I am not repeating. Listen.
You said the same thing yesterday.
No, I didn't say this at all.
Same book.
What he writes is this. Yeah, book, yes, but I didn't say this. What he says is this: some people accuse mother of religious bigotry, but this is far from true. Can embracing and taking care of the unwanted, the unloved, the crippled, and the detested destitutes ever be equated with any single religion? Can there be any religious name for selfless and compassionate humanitarian work amidst the squalor, filth, and stench of the poor, sick, and dying? Her humanitarian work had in fact transcended all faiths and all religions. This is the underlying point, and this I didn't say yesterday.
You want to hear about Mother Teresa's humanitarian religion?
Yeah, this is about Mother Teresa. Yes, so this is about Mother Teresa, and this is not written by
one second,
Mother.
Father Dominic Emmanuel, Ratan Sharda is contradicting you. Go ahead, Father Dominic.
I didn't want to get into an argument. I wanted the lady to rest in peace till kingdom come.
No, 1 second. Let's not, don't make.
See, you are breaking muck.
Oh my gosh.
You are breaking muck.
No, at least keep some civility in the discussion.
It is civility. I am saying why you rake up issues which are not relevant. She said after the Nobel Prize that abortion is the biggest, greatest destroyer of peace, while they were talking about abortion of ladies who got raped and who got pregnant. Now, is this the kind of argument that should be given for the ladies who are in trouble?
But so she was is that what you know about? Is that what you know?
Hello,
Sharat.
What's up? Dominic Emmanuel contradicting. Yes.
Mr. Sharath, is that what you know about the debate? Is that what you know?
You
my
talked
dear
about
friend,
religiosity. I gave
he
an
was not,
example
she
of
was not,
religiosity.
there was no context,
the
about the
context. You
women who
talked about
were
Nukarma,
raped,
talked about
etc.
Karma.
She was talking about every single life that is precious. And this is our religious belief, that every embryo in the womb is precious and is a creation
That has
of
no
God.
relevance to this
And therefore
debate.
it cannot
No,
be
that is no
touched.
relevance.
No,
What is
that's what
coming
he-
across? What is coming
he
across?
raised- he raised
about all this. He's trying to create
He
a
raised it.
halo around her.
No, what
Not
is,
halo around, it is created, not by you.
It's a marketing
It is
gimmick.
not
That's
by
what your
me.
own people
It
say
is
in
not
the
by
West.
me.
I'm not
It is
saying it.
created by the world.
University of
The
Montreal
halo,
says that I'm not
the
saying
halo is created by the
They are saying
world.
this.
And let me remind you what I said yesterday again, that Mother Teresa worked in every single country of the world, regardless of whether they were Muslims, whether they were Catholics, whether they were Hindus, whether they were Buddhists. She has gone
agree,
to
but
every
why are
country.
dwelling her work?
No, I think
We
the
agree with her work. Where is the question?
basic
No, no.
the basic
Mr.
problem.
Sharath, Mr.
No, one
Sharath,
second.
why, if she wanted to convert, if she wants to convert, why would she go to the Philippines?
My question
dear,
is,
that's
my
your question.
question
Why
is,
are
I
you
think
denying
you're
admission?
getting
This
very
was-
defensive here.
this
I get Mr. Kesavan into the debate. One second, Father Dominic
this was not
Emmanuel.
answered.
Father Emmanuel, 1 minute.
Criticism.
See, what is
Father
your-
Emmanuel.
Answered.
German, they are your darling of
Father-
progressive
Father
shades.
Teresa would have
That
taken
is a modern
Ratan Sharda, just let's
I
know.
don't
Nobody
think she
answered
should
this
become-
yesterday.
One second, Mr.
Tolerating to diverge.
Rahul Ishwar, I'll get you and CR Kesavan on the panel right now, and we'll take the debate forward. John Dayal, I see your hand there. I'm coming to you. Now let's be a little logical tonight, okay? Mr. Kesavan and Mr. Rahul Ishwar are debating at this point. Basic point tonight I find is, what is the problem with Mother Teresa? Mother Teresa was spreading the word about Jesus. That's the basic argument. Mother Teresa was doing everything. She was in the service of Jesus, but with the objective of spreading his word. This appears to be the basic uninformed, ignorant argument of people like Rahul Ishwar and also people like Mohan Bhagwat. My question to Rahul Ishwar, and before that, no, one second, please consider one thing. I'll come to Mr. Kesavan first. My question tonight is, what an illiterate argument, I'm sorry to say. It's an illiterate argument. How is spreading the word of Jesus tantamount to conversion? For example, 1 minute, let me complete. If a Hindu priest, for instance, quotes the Ramayana, or he quotes the Mahabharata, or he quotes the Bhagavad Gita, or a prayer to drive home a point, is he automatically trying to convert people to Hinduism?
What is the meaning
No,
of
the law.
church? What is the
So,
meaning
no,
of
please,
church?
no, answer my question. Answer my question, Mr. Kesavan. Mr. Kesavan, now, 1 second. I made a point, Mr. Kesavan.
Arnab, Mother Teresa was one of the leading lights of the 21st century who served humanity and the poorest of the poor with such dignity. And in the undignified way in which the RSS has, attacked Mother Teresa is inexcusable, deplorable and shameful. And look at the silence of the BJP. I want to quote Mr. Venkaiah Naidu today. Venkaiah Naidu said, we will explain what the government says, not any party president or general secretary. What did he say in December? He said, I'm proud of my RSS background. RSS is a great organization. Why are they cutting the umbilical cord of the RSS? What did the Prime Minister say? He says I have RSS background. What did he say when he met the Christian community?
It baffles.
He said, the DNA of this community should be to respect every religion. And he said, in my government, no religious group, whether it's a minority or majority, will
I
be
agree.
able to incite violence in a covert or an overt way. Why is the silence here? Why are they silent today? That is my question.
Well, it's
they
simple.
are helpless, they are gutless,
It's because, and I'm saying so, it's quite obvious, because they're unwilling and don't have the courage or the guts to contradict their ideological mentor.
No,
which means today that the RSS.
It's a Jekyll and Hyde play. It's a
We should
Jekyll and
see
Hyde
things
play.
in
The BJP
context.
government
What
plays
context?
statesmen, they play the good cop.
What context,
The
Rahul
RSS
Ishwar?
plays the bad cop.
Why are you getting touchy?
Today.
Why are you getting touchy when a comment is made about the BJP?
They are running with the hats. They are
No, it's not about BJP.
Hunting with the
It is
hounds.
not about BJP.
Of course, it's about the BJP. Well, we are discussing.
I am a proud Hindu, but I have the highest of regards for Mother Teresa
I am a proud
and
Hindu
her
as
work.
well.
We all
I am a
respect
proud
Mother
Hindu as
Teresa.
well, but I don't believe ignorance equals Hinduism.
Hold on. But when you see
No, I am, 1 second, 1 minute. Don't give the proud Hindu argument.
conversion of people like Uma Shankar IAS, some firm liners in Hindu community may take this argument.
RSS.
I may not
I am
have
a-
this.
I
Many
am a-
parties may not
I
have
am a-
this argument.
I-
But there are some
I-
firm
I-
leaders who
I
make
am-
this
I am
argument.
say-
This
one-
is a reaction. Remember, this is a reaction, not action. This is a reaction to the conversion propaganda going on in this nation. I may not agree with that angle, but this is essentially a reaction, a retaliation to conversion.
John
We hold
Dayal.
Mother Teresa and the highest of
One second.
regards.
After John
He was
Dayal, John
an
Dayal is
angel.
taking
He
on
has
Rahul
done
Ishwar.
many
One
things.
second.
What is the
One
context
second.
of
First of all,
conversion? I
Rahul
think
Ishwar.
I'll forget.
First of all, Rahul Ishwar. Rahul Ishwar, are you a BJP spokesperson? Why are you getting so touchy?
Like this, it-
One second, calm down.
No, no, no.
Why are you getting agitated?
Why are you getting touchy about the BJP? One second. Why I'm offering Rahul Ishwar.
In the same way, in the
lies.
Rahul Ishwar, I'm making an offer to you that if you want to represent the BJP, there is another chair on the program which is empty.
No.
You
No,
can
no.
go and sit on that chair.
No.
Arnab,
No. It is not about BJP. It is not about BJP or Congress. It is only the majority communities or impartial point of view.
The majority don't don't make it a majority versus minority argument. Don't make it a majority versus.
Arnab, what happened to the Prime Minister's pledge?
I didn't use the word minority.
It's
We all respect Mother Teresa and majority of Indians see Mother Teresa in the highest regard. But if some people out of reaction to conversion has a slightly firm line, let them have it. I may not agree with it.
Mr. Ishwaran, I quote the Ramayan, I quote the
Where is the
Mahabharat,
Prime Minister,
I am a
Mr.
proud
Arnab
Hindu.
Goswami? You should
Mr.
ask,
Modi
why
quotes
has
the
he not
Ramayan and
reacted?
the Mahabharat. As late as 3 days back, he quoted the Mahabharat.
Why has the
the
Prime
role
Minister
of
not
Jatayu.
reacted to this?
Does that mean that Mr. Modi is promoting
Prime
religious
Minister
conversion?
is
Is he
not
promoting
saying
Hindu
he's talking about
convergence?
devolution.
I quote the
He was.
Ramayan, I quote the
He's kind of
Mahabharat.
related
I am
to the RSS.
absolutely proud Hindu. What sort of an argument is this?
Rahul Ishwar, respond. Can we have Rahul Ishwar on the
And
screen?
now that
No,
you are speaking
Arnab,
for
today the Prime Minister,
you know, in your attempt,
Arnab, today the Prime
whether
Minister
covertly or
tweeted about
uncovertly
devolving
to
powers
defend the
and
BJP,
funds. Why didn't
let
he
me
talk
ask you
about
a couple
this?
of questions.
It
First
is
of
not
all,
important.
the
whole
rather
world
than
has
a forcible
condemned this.
condemnation,
Any right thinking, any sensible,
one second, Mr.
individual would condemn
Mr.
this.
Kesavan,
Why are they not condemned this? Why are the
Mr.
BJP not
Ishwaran,
condemned this?
Mr.
Rather
Kesavan,
than-
a question going to Rahul Ishwar from Raghav Chadda. Let him make the point, and I'm only making one point before that. And my point is simple because the BJP's reluctance to condemn Bhagwat is baffling because they are leaving themselves vulnerable
the
once
silence
again
of the Prime
to a
Minister
stalled
is
parliament
question,
session.
Arnab.
Mr.
Why can't the government respond
this
to
is
this?
another important point. You see, Mr. Ishwaran,
They said
Mr.
they protect the
Ishwaran,
minority community. They said this won't happen
also
on
I
the clock.
speak.
whether
I want to say
intentionally
one
or
thing.
intentionally,
Mr. I
Ishwaran,
want to
whether
take one line,
intentionally
please.
or
Rahul,
unintentionally, Mr. Bhagwat has given a lot of ammunition
you are not-
to the political adversaries of the BJP. I don't know whether he has done this on purpose or as just a it's a matter of. No, hold on. So my question to you, my simple question to you is
To whom
that
is your
rather
question?
than to Mr. Ishwaran, that rather than a forcible condemnation, the BJP is not even attempting to distance itself from these obnoxious remarks. That's number one. Number two, what happened to the development story? You got such a beautiful mandate only on the
Are the
basis of a
BJP
pro-development
in the corner?
agenda. Why do we every now and then debate love jihad, religious conversion, Nathuram Godse, Beti Lao, Bahu Bachao, 4 babies per Hindu lady, and now again
All
Mother
very
Teresa?
trite
What is happening to
Arnab,
us?
please.
Where is the
Don't
national
keep
discourse
on
going?
repeating your
I,
trite
as a member of the
argument.
youth
One
brigade of the country,
Sorry.
I fear for the country that we are becoming slowly.
Arnab,
What
I just
about
want to
your
make one
development
point.
agenda? Or is this a part, and my last question, is this a part of a wink and nod strategy where the leaders at the top, at the helm of affairs in the government will not make any noise or will make only the right noises so that these attempts, these activities are not derailed and they continue as per plan? Is this the larger game plan?
But maybe
or,
this is
or,
a-
or the
This is a
BJP
Jekyll and Hyde policy
or
of
the
the
BJP
BJP.
is scared
Arnab, this
of
is
their
a Jekyll and
ideological
Hyde
mentor
policy
that
of
they
the
can't
BJP.
even condemn
Let
this?
me
Mother
ask you
Teresa,
this
you are
question.
going on to
On
something else.
February
One second,
10th,
CRK
on
Swan.
February 10th, this is the Jekyll and Hyde
just
policy of the BJP. No, let me complete.
just
This is
one
the
more
Jekyll and
question
Hyde
goes-
policy. Listen to others. This is the Jekyll and Hyde
Mr.
policy
Kesavan,
of
one
the
second,
BJP.
please. One second.
And on 10th, I want to remind you. On 10th, I want to remind you. Arnab, Mr. Mohan Bhagwat said, एक भाषा, एक देवता, एक संप्रदाय बनाना होगा. Uniformity through Hindutva. Did the BJP government address this and criticize this?
Now,
No. That shows their hypocrisy.
Mr. Kesavan,
Facade.
Mr. Kesavan, a minute, Mr. Kesavan, the BJP is not here.
That 100 million.
Mr. Vaidyanathan, yes.
Look at the other people in the BJP.
Mr. Ishwara.
Two people at a time and the response.
Rahul.
One second. For 1 minute, please. 1 minute, gentlemen. Can I have others also, please come?
Allow him to speak.
1 second. Mr. Vaidyanathan and Mr. Vaidyanathan and Mr. John Dayal only on the screen, please. Please, only two. Mr. John Dayal and Mr. Vaidyanathan. I'll let Mr. John Dayal go first. Yes, please. Mr. John Dayal.
No, I would like to ask...
No, Mr. John Dayal first, sir. Mr. John Dayal has not spoken. Mr. John Dayal.
Thank you very much. I must say Christ is my savior, and I think it is his glory that today I am redundant. 1 billion Hindus are defending Mother Teresa. I don't have to defend. This is a political debate, and I would like to challenge those making political allegations, not religious allegations, political allegations, to be please more specific, more clear, and above all, far more honest in your motives. Why are you raking up the issue now? And therefore, we cannot ask Mr. Modi every day to respond. But somebody,
One minute, Mr. Sharda, please.
Somebody in the government must respond.
No, one sec. Mr. Vaidyanathan, it's a most relevant thing because I don't understand why the BJP has to be told to respond because, 1 second, because Narendra Modi reassured Indians of their fundamental right to retain or adopt a religion of their choice. He warned against people of the majority or the minority making controversial remarks. But does Narendra Modi not come out? Why does he not come out and tell Mohan Bhagwat to please keep quiet? The first person Narendra Modi should ask to keep quiet is Mohan Bhagwat.
Arnav,
No, why does Narendra Modi not tell Mohan Bhagwat to keep quiet?
I have a simple...
You please answer my question.
demand on the government of India.
No, I'm sorry, sir. There is one thing
I have a demand on the government of India and Arnav. No. You are not listening to me. I have a demand on the government of India. When Stern magazine asked the government of India about 100 million plus US dollars of the money accumulated by Mother Teresa.
This gentleman is
Government of India told it is a top secret classified information.
No, John Dayal, let him go.
No. Where are our money?
Are all wrong.
Where is our money?
His figures are all wrong.
No.
This man has
she collected from Papa Das Duvalier. She collected from global dictators more than 100 million
and she collected from every single Indian. And she collected
No, which 1 minute, just 1 minute.
All of them are
Now I think we'll have to challenge you. We'll have to challenge you, sir, now, and a question comes your way.
I must be listened. I must be listened.
Mr. Vaidyanathan, Mr. Vaidyanathan,
listen to me.
don't get worked up. Don't get worked up, Mr. Vaidyanathan. A counter question coming your way from John Dayal. John Dayal, Father Dominic Emmanuel have questions for you. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. Not all at a time.
Before you ask me a question.
Let me tell you.
Dominic Emmanuel and Professor Vaidyanathan. Professor Vaidyanathan, listen to Father Dominic Emmanuel. You have to agree to a counter question here.
Mr. Vaidyanathan, just listen. We listen to you. I'll tell you about the 100 million. You are talking about $100 million. I am telling you just now, Mr. Vaidyanathan, just listen. You please go to Mr. Vaidyanathan. Please listen. Mr. Vaidyanathan, please listen. Okay.
Listening to me.
Okay.
What should I listen to you?
I have listened. I have listened. I am not a staff of the Vatican Bank.
Listen to me about
I am not a
Vatican
staff.
Bank. What did
I am not a staff of the Vatican Bank.
What did it do?
I am not staff of.
I am telling you.
I am not staff.
I am telling you.
Okay. Okay. You know better. Then go to the government.
The nation should
go to the police.
Right.
Go to the police. But okay. We will find out.
Because she was.
We will find out.
She was ATM for Vatican Bank. I'm telling you.
We will find out that. We will find out that. Okay. Vaidyanathan. We will find out. Listen now. We listen to you. Everybody listen to.
Listen now.
Okay. We will
Vatican Bank told. Vatican Bank told all the money collected is central pool. But when it comes to Boston Church, the same Vatican Bank lied. They told Boston Church is a separate entity. We cannot give $1 to Boston Church.
Sir, you answer.
Mr. Vaidyanathan, now will you allow me to talk? Will you allow me to talk now? Will you allow me to talk now? Mr. Vaidyanathan, I want to ask you just one thing.
No.
We will talk about the Vatican Bank. Okay, just listen.
Professor Vaidyanathan, listen.
Listen. Mr. Vaidyanathan, all that I want to tell you, you go to this Jangpura and you go to any of the Mother Teresa centers now, how they are running their centers now without a budget, and how the donors are all of them Hindus. Jangpura, you go every day, the breakfast, the lunch, the dinner, and everything
so
is
here's a
booked
question.
by Hindus. And
The-
that is
the
how
que-
the
the question goes-
$100
the
million
question-
has gone.
Okay, 1 second, Professor Vaidyanathan. Don't throw numbers on the debate because I can throw numbers too. And my question goes here tonight, please,
Yes,
one at a time. One at a time.
No,
I want to know from you. I've heard enough. I've been quiet. I want to know from you. I want to know from you. I want to know from you, Professor Vaidyanathan. Right here, right now.
Not defame her in any way.
1 second, please. My question is to Professor Vaidyanathan. John Dayal, I'm coming to you. Can I have both of them on the screen, please? 1 second. Professor Vaidyanathan, my question to you is very simple. What is the budget of the Vishwa Hindu Parishad?
Well, how does it matter to me?
What do you mean, how does it matter?
I am not a member even.
No, then you're not a
should it
member of the
matter to me?
Missionaries of Charity, are you? You're a professor. You have all numbers.
No,
I want to ask
$100
you.
million.
No, what
I
is
am a finance
1
professor.
minute? You are
I'm
okay.
very
So since
interested
you are
in
so well
knowing-
informed, I am asking you what is the approximate
Yes.
budget of the Vishwa Hindu
I am
Parishad?
well informed.
1 minute. Let me complete. Let me go. Don't heckle me. 1 second. My question is,
You are-
I
you are
request,
talking like a-
I
you are
request,
talking
I
like
request
a
Rahul
Congress
Ishwar.
spokesperson.
Don't get on the defensive, sir. Relax. I request Rahul Ishwar, Ratan Sharda, Swami Chakrapani or Professor Vaidyanathan to tell me what is the budget of the Vishwa Hindu Parishad.
How would I know?
You can
How would I know?
Of the values.
Really?
I'm
How
not
would I
sure
know?
Okay, how
of
much
this matter.
international donations do they get?
about-
What kind of
Yeah,
international
I don't
donations
really
does the
matter.
VHP get?
This is a different debate altogether.
One second.
And just 2 lines. We shouldn't be defaming Mother Teresa when she is not among with us by any financial transactions.
Really?
Remember, we are all proud when Raghav Jatta goes for Delhi church protest in his individual capacity. We are proud when Arnab Goswami, a Hindu,
One minute, let him
Mother Teresa. But remember, these reactions from Hindu organizations should be seen in a context of conversions. This is insecurity of the Hindu sentiments.
I am asking-
You have to be realistic about
I am
certain
very
things.
realistic.
You cannot wish away the majority community's insecurities
Baba, I am-
in connection
There is
with
no
conversions.
conversion.
That is the only limited point every right-thinking Indian will raise.
You see, the point here is...
Every right-thinking Indian.
Where is that?
Mr.
1 second, please.
Taking
Mr.
sides.
Ishran,
Raghav
every
Chandra.
right-thinking Indian will also say that Mother Teresa's idea of service or the idea of India is not about religion. It's about uplifting the destitute
Come on.
irrespective
Let-
of
let
their
him- let
caste and their beliefs. That's number
Don't-
one.
don't throw that argument.
Please hold on.
She
That's
was a
the idea
fellow
of
Christian,
India.
that was her life.
Number two,
And don't devalue her work.
sir, please hold on. Please hold on.
Don't need
And
cliche
number two,
arguments.
sir, all of us
Above
today
religion, all that.
must
What kind of
respect.
language are you
Sir,
using?
please hold on, sir. The idea of
You're
India
taking
is not
false
about religion.
arguments.
It's about service. How can you question the
She
service
worked
of a
because of
person
religion.
who worked for the upliftment of the destitute?
She was a soul who worked for the religion.
Who's
You're
an
saying she
ambassador
didn't
of
work for
humanity.
religion.
So
Sir,
one-
she
You're
can have her
devaluing her
personal
work.
beliefs. Sir, she can have her personal beliefs. I am a proud Hindu. I have my
that was
personal
her belief
beliefs.
in life.
That does not mean that every Hindu, every Muslim, or every Christian is out in the public
But
to
who is
convert.
devaluing her? You are devaluing her.
You
I am
are
not devaluing her. I am
People
saying
like
she did her
Mohan
job.
Bhagwat, institutions like RSS are raising questions.
You are saying
you
there
are
is no
dislodging her
conversion?
reputation.
You
What
are saying there is no
sir?
conversion?
Sir,
That's what
how
I'm
can
saying.
you accuse Mother Teresa of religious conversion?
She was part of the
And let me
same-
say
she was
this,
part of the same
if
church.
there is one conversion, hold on, if there is any sort of conversion that we need in this country now, it's the conversion of mindset. We need a
That's
more
a great dialogue. I
progressive,
appreciate that.
more liberal,
So stop doing this kind of
pro-communal
controversy.
harmony,
Please.
pro-development,
Stop these,
pro-brotherhood
controversies. Not controversies.
mindset. We need a conversion of
These are not
mindset.
controversies.
We don't need religion conversions and we don't need debates
Yes, so stop
on people
conversions.
who
Please
have
stop
a
conversions.
track
Go fight
record
the
of serving
conversion
the
bill.
humanity, a track record of serving the destitute,
you know-
the
you know
poorest of
what
the
is-
poor.
you know-
You are dislodging her reputation,
you know-
sir.
you-
are
you-
insulting 1 billion Indians who have faith in Mother Teresa.
You know,
That's what you say.
including
I don't-
myself.
I don't say
No,
that.
no, 1
You can
second.
say that. I don't mind.
Mr. Sharda, I heard you.
Yeah.
Now let me tell you what is conversion and what is not conversion.
Yeah.
Now, you have to listen to me for a while.
Please.
Taking a leper from the streets, someone suffering from leprosy, bringing them to your home, cleaning them, washing them, without asking them what their religion is service.
Yeah,
Right?
what it is.
1 second, sir. Now I heard you. I've heard you. Taking a person from a Muslim religion, saying I'll give you ration cards and BPL cards, and then saying I will have a ceremony to force you to convert, and forcing them to come dressed wearing burqas and skull caps and then making them chant Hindu mantras under the pretext of BPL cards, that is conversion, sir. You have not even understood
all
the
these
basic
conversions
definition.
that
I am telling you, give me any element of proof. Give
So
me
let
the
us
proof
have an
tonight.
anti-forced conversion law.
Give me the proof tonight.
So let us have an anti-forced conversion law. Who is disagreeing?
Dr. Alex Abraham
One
goes
sec.
to Cape Town and gives a presentation how he's converting Indians. And you say that's not conversion.
I am asking. One second, Rahul Ishwar and Mr. Kesavan.
Dig the church on India.
Sir, Rahul Ishwar and Mr. Kesavan.
Arnabji, I agree with. We all agree with you in spirit. We all agree with you in
them on the
spirit.
screen.
Let us have an anti-conversion law. We respect Mother Teresa, but remember, we shouldn't close our eyes to the insecurities by the majority community, which is a reality. If you travel across India, come to Kerala, come to Tamil Nadu, go to Kanyakumari. People like Uma Shankar IAS.
First of all,
Building up. Please listen.
Mr. Kesavan. No, it's Mr. Kesavan. One at a time. No, please. One minute. Let him be saying something.
The BJP government has campaigned in poetry, but the BJP government is ruling in bigotry. The BJP government campaigned in poetry, but they're governing in bigotry. They're tolerating bigotry. It's not the Mann Ki Baat of the Prime Minister, the Mann Ki Baat of Yogi Adityanath, the Mann Ki Baat of Sakshi Maharaj, and the Mann Ki Baat of Mohan Bhagwat.
Can I quote
How can the
John
country
Pope?
endure this?
So if there is a, and by the way, I want to.
Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas is a jumla. The BJP said Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Why doesn't the BJP accept today, even if it's not here? Sabka Saath,
The
Sabka
BJP
Vikas
has
is a
boycotted
typo,
News
it's a
Hour
clerical
tonight.
error. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas is a mistake.
Yeah.
That was their agenda. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas was their cornerstone of their, manifesto.
I
They have an
I'd like
answer
to
for that.
quote
This
John
is not
Paul II
Sabka Saath,
on Mother
Sabka
Teresa.
Vikas.
No, I'm actually asking if the BJP was on the program, which unfortunately
Can I
is
quote
not. No, if the
quote John
BJP,
Paul on
watch,
Mother Teresa?
I'll tell you one thing. If the BJP
Allow me
was,
to quote.
allow me to say something,
Yeah.
please. If the BJP was on the program tonight, the only relevant question to ask the BJP would be, Bhagwat ka saath, RSS ka vikas. If that is the policy of the BJP, then the BJP needs to answer itself whether the people of this country voted for the BJP or for the RSS. As far as I am concerned, people voted for the BJP, not the RSS.
Who asked you to?
And they voted
Nobody
for
asked.
What do you mean ask you
RSS
to?
is working for 90 years. It is not
That's a very
BJP to grow.
condescending statement. That's an obnoxious
I
statement.
would like to ask
What do you
only
mean?
one question. Hello, please allow me
Yes,
to ask
Father
one
Dominic
question to
Emmanuel.
this
Can I quote one?
One good question to Mr. Rahul
can I-
Ishwara. Rahul Ishwara.
Watch, just a minute, Mr. Shah.
Mr. One question. Mr. Rahul Ishwara, you are taking a very dangerous line when you spread the lie about conversion and tell that the majority is reaction. This is very dangerous line that you are taking, Mr. Rahul Ishwara.
Absolutely.
First of all, you spread a
no,
lie.
no.
You spread a lie. And then you say that the majority is
Objecting
reacting
that.
to a lie. And are you trying to gather all the majority to react to a lie and to a false statement? This is very dangerous. You are talking about action and reaction theory.
Emmanuel, can I quote
I am ashamed to
somebody?
hear this.
Your Pope.
I am shocked.
Your Pope.
And by making such statements,
Father,
you are
two things.
essentially vitiating
10,000, more than 10,000 crores has come as funds in South India alone in the past 5 years for conversion purposes. No mainstream church does it. People like Uma Shankar IAS, Brethren Church, New Age Church does it. We are great in sync with the majority mainstream Christianity. But we understand when some Hindu firmliners airs these concerns. I may not share their viewpoint, but I can understand why they are raising those concerns. I may not have that firm line as they have.
lies.
But please
On lies,
understand,
on
let us
lies.
bring all
On
moderates
lies.
of Christian, Hindu and
On
Muslim
lies.
together and
Mr.
sort out this.
Rahul
And let us
Ishwara,
for God's
Mr.
sake have a
Rahul
handy
Ishwara.
forced conversion law which will seal this
Mr.
debate.
Rahul Ishwar,
If we have
Mr.
that
Rahul
law,
Ishwar,
there is no need for debate at all.
Mr. Rahul
Mr.
Ishwar, let
Rahul
us not
Sharma, you have
forget.
never been
Let
able
us
to
not
answer my
forget. Can I
question
tell you what is the
that-
conversion kind of argument? The conversion kind of argument is that of Mohan Bhagwat, who justified Ghar Wapsi by saying, we will bring our brothers back who have lost their way. They did not go on their own. They were robbed, tempted into leaving. Now, if a thief has been caught and the world knows my belongings are with the thief, I will retrieve my belongings. So why is that such a big
So
issue?
let us have
Forgot
it.
that?
So let us have an anti-forced
Forgot that.
conversion law.
That
against
was
people
that
being
was a
converted to
dangerous
Hindu.
comment.
We are totally for it.
comment.
They can't take on the RSS.
The lies are
We are
from
Indians first.
2.6%. We have gone down to 2.3%, and you are still spreading the lies. You have never been able to give me one proper answer as to why the population of Christians has gone down from
Father
2.6% in
Father
1970.
Kanyakumari
you tell
district's
me.
population
You
has
tell-
gone
forget
from
about Kanyakumari.
single
Forget
digit to
about Kanyakumari. I
46%.
asked- You tell me.
Remember,
how
so
does-
let us
you
not
tell
have.
me-
See,
Let us have
No. First of all, there will be no support for you, and I will never agree that there should be an anti-conversion law. Why should there be an anti-conversion law? It is already enshrined in the constitution of this country.
Anti-forced
and it was
conversion
repeated-
law. Why are you
and
against it? If you are against Gharwa Apasi, why can't you support an anti-forced conversion law?
There is no such thing as anti.
Father,
there are
if
laws.
you are against
Hello, do you
Gharwa
know
Apasi,
IPC?
if what
Do you know
Arnabji said is
IPC
right,
420?
if people are being forced,
Ishwara,
let us have an
Ishwara, do you know-
anti-forced conversion law.
Do you know IPC?
If you are against Gharwa Apasi, why can't we have an anti-forced conversion law?
Ishwara, do you know IPC 420?
Father, so be
That
it.
is called cheating. That is
Rather
called
than
cheating.
getting in
One
the
thing.
nitty-gritty and
That
law
is
and
one
order
thing.
of things,
No,
let us have an
nitty-gritty.
Why are you against
Meenakshi
it?
Lekhi understands English.
You answer me.
My
You
only
answer
question
me.
is whether Meenakshi Lekhi understands
why
English.
is
In
there
in
no
your view, one second, by Mr.
420
Vaidyanathan.
IPC.
Mr. Vaidyanathan.
Secondly, one
100.
more question. So, one,
Mr.
one more,
Vaidyanathan and John Dayal. please, on the screen.
Arnab, I have a
Limited
demand
time.
on the government of India. Limited
one
time,
second.
Arnab, I have only one demand on the government of India.
Yeah.
When Stern magazine
Reminds
asked about
everyone that
Mother
evangelizing
Teresa's-
mission of church
I
passes
have
through
only one
charity,
demand on the government of
nourished by
India.
prayer and
Let
listening
me
to God's
finish.
word.
When
He
Stern
agrees she is
magazine
evangelizing, and you say
asked
she's not
about Mother
evangelizing.
Teresa's
Just
death,
can you all
the
not
government
speak
of
at the
India
same
told
time?
it is
Can I
a
just have a
classified
minute?
top secret information.
Sir, you see one thing.
When Stern magazine asked government of India under Congress rule, they told it is a classified top secret information.
What?
I
What is a
demand the
classified
current
top
government
secret information?
Release the top secret information.
Okay, John Dayal,
Mother
John Dayal,
Teresa's
please.
Finances.
John Dayal and Professor Vaidyanathan. I want to know from you before John Dayal responds. Sir, can you tell me what is the budget of the VHP? Is that also classified top secret information?
I have a demand from the government of India.
I have a demand from you.
Simple demand from
I have a
government of
demand
India.
from
Can
you.
I make that?
I have a
Can I make
demand
that?
from you.
No,
and my
no, why
demand
you
from
make
you
a
is,
demand?
I have a demand
of
from
India.
you that you tell me how much money does the VHP
I
get
am
from
asking
foreign
the government
sources?
of India
I want to
to
know who
declassify
funds.
the top
I want
secret files of Mother
I want to
Teresa.
know who funds the
You are
VHP
not-
office.
you are not even listening to
I am
me.
asking you, sir. I am asking you who funds the
Stern-
VHP office in America and in Brussels. I want to know how much money
What
of
is
Praveen
VHP?
Togadia's
What
company
is VHP? I
organization
even
comes
don't
from
know what is
international
VHP.
sources. I want to know whether you, Professor Vaidyanathan,
No.
have done disclosure.
Vatican-
Have done a disclosure
Vatican
on the
Bank.
VHP's. VHP's
The
account.
Vatican Bank
can I join?
captured all the...
Can I
500
join
million.
this,
What-
Professor?
what's it?
No, the government of India
Asking the government
must
of India.
declassify.
I also want to ask the government of India. I also want to ask the government of
You can
India, and I entirely
One
join
second,
the
one second, one
professor.
second.
You can ask
Please,
Arnab first.
government of India, please, government of India, please, Prime Minister, please, Home Minister, tell us the money that the RSS and the VHP receive from abroad and how do they spend it.
No, it's not. I'm not talking
Five
about abroad.
donors are all
You
missionaries,
confusing
all
John
top five
Dayal.
receivers are
I am
missionaries.
asking
I am
about...
We
talking
have
about-
received
I am
10,000
asking
crores or
about
more than
how
that.
he
It is
I
openly
am
available
talking
on the
about-
FCRA accounts.
I am talking
Go
about
ahead.
it.
John
I am
Dayal, you
talking
are the
about
epitome
it.
of Joshua
I have
project.
asked the government of India repeatedly.
You have no,
I've been
no
asking the
face to
government
speak
of
about
India
these things.
So,
for 20 years.
here's the suggestion that is coming from the supporters of the RSS tonight. And I find it very interesting, and I really think, Mr. Vaidyanathan, if you want to see a conspiracy theory, I will tell you,
Not Mr.
here is another conspiracy theory I
not
would like to
conspiracy.
present. Mr.
The
Professor
Vatican-
Vaidyanathan,
no, the
listen,
Vatican
Professor
Bank is cancer. Why are
Vaidyanathan,
you
I can also add my
Dominic?
little twist to the whodunit story if you have the
Arnab.
patience to listen to me. I have a whodunit story.
No,
I have
no
a whodunit story. I have a conspiracy
how-
theory to add. Can I add a
you know how
conspiracy
Vatican
theory on
Bank
my
acted?
own? My conspiracy theory is...
No conspiracy here.
I'll tell you the conspiracy theory. This government does not
simple.
want to talk
No,
about
no, I
black
will tell
money.
you, Arnab.
It wants to
I
talk
will tell
about
you
Mother
three
Teresa.
conspiracy theories.
This government does not want to talk about
I will
Swiss
tell you.
banks. It
I will
wants to
tell
talk
you.
about
I
Mother
will tell you
Teresa.
further.
This government does not
Arnab,
want
you
to
don't
talk
hold
about
discussions on black money.
this
Don't
government,
discuss on Mother
this
Teresa.
government does not want to talk about
Arnab,
corporate
it's up to you.
espionage. It wants to talk about Mother Teresa.
for a discussion.
And I'm asking tonight to the viewer of the Newshour, I have a simple question. To the viewer of the Newshour, I have a simple question. I have just one question, and if there was a BJP representative on the program tonight, I would have asked that question. Rahul Ishwar, have the patience to listen. I have two questions, please, on the program tonight. Is this what this country and the government and all the institutions have gone down to? That we will not discuss black money, Swiss banks, corporate espionage, that are investigating keeps... Please allow me to speak. But today, that we will investigate the missionaries of charity. That we will investigate the mission. Is this what, instead of an investigation on corruption, instead of an investigation on big ticket corruption, the only only way in which the investigating agencies of this country will begin to work is by going after the missionaries of charity.
That's my request to you.
And I really don't understand this logic. I don't understand this logic.
Have a debate on
Defeats
that.
me.
Why are you debating on Teresa?
I know. Is there
Please,
nothing else? Is
you
there
debate on
nobody?
black
Is
money,
there
you
nobody
debate on
else?
corruption.
Is there nobody
You
else?
have the biggest right
Is
to
there
debate. You have the
sir,
biggest platform.
sir, is there nobody else
don't you
to
debate?
Sir, is there nobody else to question? Nothing else to question apart from the missionaries of charity.
raising corruption
Mohan
issues?
Bhagwat raised the question.
Why you raise the question?
Mohan
of black
Bhagwat
money?
raised the
Don't talk
question.
about Mohan Bhagwat. Just wish him away. You talk about black money. You talk about corruption. Who stopped you?
Okay.
You like to have this debate which is hollow.
Full-blown
You
war
don't want
between
serious
two
debates.
communities.
We
We should
want
try
to
to
that's
get to
all.
some kind of a middle ground, and nobody is targeting anybody. Missionaries of charities are doing great work.
If you
Let
thi-
them do it. Please don't create a sense of paranoia, a kind of persecution in the mind of people. Nobody is doing that. Nobody is interested in. We are all in great
All
reverence.
the BJP has to do is come out and take on the RSS. I really want to see the BJP.
You have a program where you take on BJP for corruption.
I really want to.
I
really want to see a BJP which has the courage, and I'm telling this, a BJP which somehow, somewhere goes deep into its consciousness, realize that maybe people of India voted for the BJP and not RSS, and a BJP which has the courage to go back to its roots and take on the RSS sometimes once, occasionally. If nothing else, as a refreshing change from the obsequiousness it shows towards the BJP, towards the RSS. Let the BJP take on Mohan Bhagwat. If there is one person who has to be controlled, it is Mohan Bhagwat. But does the BJP have the courage to say a word? Look at that empty chair tonight. Look at that empty chair tonight that tells you the story.
Have a debate on corruption.
They are one.
Have a debate on black money. Why you debate on these issues which are non-issues?
Anyway, I'll rest my case. I'll rest my case on this one. This debate will continue. On the other side tonight is the government cornered on the issue of land ordinance. This debate continues. Thank you everyone for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight.